Hello, viewers. You're watching my biology channel. It's BioHub, and I'm your facilitator, Dr. Seema Sharma. Dear viewers, this COVID 19 has closed the doors of our school temporarily, and we all are missing our teachers, friends, schoolmates, classmates, and our school environment. But don't worry, if this virus has closed our school gates, technology has opened numerous windows for all of us to interact with each other and continue with this process of teaching, learning, and exploring. This virus has threatened the whole world and humanity, but we shall overcome it very soon. Remember, every dark cloud has a silver lining. So, with this hope and positive note, we are starting up with today's session on one more interesting topic from class 7 biology part. This is my channel viewers BioHub, and today in this video we are going to explore about chapter 2 nutrition in animals. First have a look. I have divided this chapter into 6 parts, and today we are going to take up the first segment, that is the introductory part of this chapter, nutrition in animals, and it's related to nutrition and terms related to nutrition. But before discussing this first subtopic of this chapter, I want to let you know what all is there in this chapter with the help of a concept map. No, with the help of a picture map. So, this is the picture map of this chapter. You're familiar with this term concept map, and today I'm introducing one more term, picture map. So with the help of picture, I have shown in this slide that what all is there in this chapter. In the first segment, after introduction part, you will come to know about the various modes of nutrition in case of microbes, insects like spider, housefly, mosquito, etc. You will also come to know about how frog catches its prey. But the majority of this chapter is focused on human beings and nutrition in human beings, that is digestive system and the process of digestion. And the last but equally fascinating subtopic of this chapter is mode of digestion in ruminants, or like cow, deer, buffalo. So this is all we have to study in this chapter, and today I'm taking up the introductory part, but you will be able to see all these subtopics subsequently on my channel. So stay tuned to my channel and keep watching, keep subscribing. If yours gear up, we are starting up with the intro part. And the learning objective of our today's video is that after watching this video, meaning of nutrients, their importance, process of nutrition, its steps, they should be clear to you all. So that is the objective of today's video. So let's start, viewers. Nutrition. First question is, why do we need food? Yes, viewers, you're right. We need food to get energy. That energy is utilized for performing daily activities. That energy is utilized for growth and development. That energy is also required for different kind of repair work which is required within the body. Second question is, what are the basic components of food? And you are well aware about the basic components of food, that carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. They are the basic components of food. The next question is, do all animals have same mode of eating food? Now, you also have this general idea. No, all animals do not have same mode of eating food because they are not same. There is a variety of organisms. They have different requirements. So they have different type of modes of eating food. Second asked question is, do we get instant energy after eating rice and dal? Obviously not. We do not get instant energy. That food is, we are chewing it, it is going down, it is broken down, and then there is release of energy. So that is what we have to study in detail in this chapter. And lastly, does eating of food means nutrition? If few of you are thinking yes, then I have to take you to the further segment of this introductory part, and there you will come to know whether eating of food is nutrition or nutrition is much more than that. So let's proceed, viewers. First, I'm going to take up this term nutrients. So, nutrients. These are components of food that are necessary for our body. And these are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. So, these are the sources of these important nutrients. And we have to take these nutrient in a proper ratio, which is called as balanced diet, for proper growth and development as far as human beings are concerned. So this is about nutrients, and this term is closely related to nutrition. So now we are moving to nutrition. Nutrition is the process of taking in food by an organism and its utilization by the body. And this process is called nutrition. So what is nutrition, students? The process of taking in food by an organism and its utilization by the body is called nutrition. But this process has a number of steps, and now we are going to explore about those steps. So the process has steps in nutrition. Viewers, we have 5 steps in nutrition, and these are: first one is ingestion, second is digestion, third is absorption, fourth is assimilation, and fifth is egestion. I'm going to cover the meaning of all these steps in detail, and we are starting up with first term, ingestion. See, first step in the process of nutrition is ingestion. So ingestion, it is the taking of food through the mouth and eating it. Very simple. I have a chapati, I'm taking its bite and I'm chewing it. So what is that? Ingestion. Clear, viewers? Now let's see second step. Second step, but a bit lengthy step, and it is called digestion. So it is the breaking down of that food into simple soluble form with the help of digestive juices made in the body. And this process or this step is called digestion. Means the moment we are eating one bite of chapati or any other food item, we are chewing it and then swallowing it down. It is further moving to in different parts of our digestive system, and it is broken down into simple soluble form with the help of certain juices about which we have to discuss in detail in coming segment of this chapter. So for the time what my viewers have to remember, the digestion is the second step in the process of nutrition, and here there is breaking down of complex food material, whether we are eating chapati, parantha, chicken, eggs, into simple soluble form with the help of digestive juices. Let's see what all is there in third step. Third step is absorption. Absorption, it is the process by which the food in soluble form passes into the body fluids such as blood. So whatever is the end product of digestion, all those nutrients, they are in the liquid form, soluble form, and they are absorbed and they are sent to the blood vessels and they are coming into the blood. So fourth is assimilation. Now let's see what is happening in assimilation. Those important nutrients which are now in the blood vessels flowing in the blood, they are sent to each and every cell of the body, whether we are talking about human beings, where we are talking about snail, Those nutrients they are sent to each and every cell, and they are utilized by the body there to drive energy, to get energy. And lastly, whatever is not required or it's remaining undigested, that is also eliminated from the body, and that process is the last process in the steps of nutrition, and it is digestion. So, digestion is the process of elimination or removal of undigested solid parts of the food. So, these are the 5 steps in the process of nutrition. Just have a look on all these steps once again. So, these are the steps of nutrition, viewers. We started with first step, ingestion. Here you have to remember IN is for intake of food, and ingestion is taking in of food through mouth. Digestion, breaking down of that food into simple soluble nutrients. Absorption, sending of those simple soluble nutrients into the blood. Assimilation, utilization of all those nutrients for to drive energy for various activities. And lastly, egestion, removal of waste material from the body. Clear, viewers? Okay. So this was about steps of nutrition in case of animals. What you have to remember, we have to remember the steps in a serial manner. Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. So these are 5 steps. And these 5 steps are equally important in the process of nutrition. Viewers, here I want to apprise you about one more interesting thing, that these steps of nutrition they are more or less same in all animals, whether we are talking about unicellular organism, whether we are talking about hen, chick, pig, or even human beings, and even insects, but they all are not same, so their mode of feeding is also not same. They are using different mouth parts to catch hold of that prey or food, and we have to study about that under 3 subheadings: nutrition in microbes, nutrition in lower living animals, nutrition in humans. Here I would like to apprise viewers about one more thing, that in NCRT book the chapter starts from the human digestion, basic introductory part, and it is starting with human digestive system. But in few of the other books which are prescribed by certain other schools, whether it's a CBSE or it's a ICSE, there this introductory part is there. So I have covered this part for their benefit, as well as for all those viewers who are studying from NCRT book and who they wanted to learn about this process in little detail, so that they can make a strong foundation of this term and they can connect with subsequent subtopics of this chapter. So what is the learning outcome of this video, viewers? If you have watched this video from starting till end, so then I have tried to explain the meaning of nutrient, nutrition, and steps of nutrition in this video, and I'm sure you must have watched it, and these terms will be clear to you now. So, just to go for self-assessment, there is a small worksheet containing 4 questions. I suggest you to go through it and assess yourself. So next time when you will tune to my BioHub, you will also come across next video of this chapter. It is Nutrition in Animals Part 2. And in this video, students, we are going to explore nutrition in microbes, amoeba, hydra, and paramecium. And I suggest you to stay tuned to my BioHub, because I'm going to explain about nutrition in these 3 microscopic organisms with the help of videos. So lastly, I want to thank all my viewers, whether they are teachers, parents, students, for watching my video, staying tuned to my videos, and I request you to leave your comments so that I can improve further and make these videos more student friendly. And please do. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's BioHub. So till then, I'm signing out. You take good care of yourself. And now it's bye bye from your facilitator. Bye bye.